on behalf of the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of India and the host church, the Phudmuri Presbyterian Church, to welcome you all. Hakani kapor ngiyawan kumne nagalianga General Assembly ng Balang Presbyterian dari India, berkunjung na Balang Presbyterian Phudmuri, kabadi ka host church, jong kini ka program ka berkerpang, ka 46 Biennial General Assembly, but ka Centenary Jubilee Celebration, arjar arpun rio, ka banlong na do ka arpo khandai tarik u April, hado lai tarik May, arjar arpun rio. So it gives me immense joy to express words of gratitude to all the esteemed members of the Press Club and also the Presbyterian Church of India, the officials, the committee members, the invitees, well-wishers, and the delegates of the 46th Biennial General Assembly and the Centenary Jubilee Celebrations 2026, who have made arrangements to attend this auspicious event to be held at our church, the Phudmuri Presbyterian Church, Shillong, on the set date, 29 April to 3rd May 2026. And we believe that this week-long event is significant in itself, as it marks only not the biennial session of the General Assembly, but also commemorates the 100th year of its inception. And we hope and pray that our journey together during this remarkable event will be a milestone leading to yet another landmark in the history of the Presbyterian Church of India. And we wish all of you well, and may you have a wonderful time during your stay in this eventful program. And we pray for the presence of God and His abundant blessings to nourish our spiritual thirst as we come together in active participation during the biennial and the centenary Jubilee celebrations 2026. Ka program kan sedang nado ka arpo pratrik hakaba kidkhot jong ka executive committee jong ka Presbyterian Church of India kin one ngin sedang yung jingaseng hakapor menmiet nyo beje ya ka banyalam da ka Balang ka host church te hakat arpo khandai April kindon ki committee ki prepare but hakajo kapor arpo khandai tarik janmet ki delegates na ki khatway tili ki synod but kaway ka provisional synod ngin one but ni community na ki arajar sans pa ngut ki delegates na ki khatar tili ki synod kentup ka provisional synod kenya one man yan nungkat ha kani ka jingle kmen jongi ha kani ka biennial meeting ka jongi but ni community ha ka laiterik ka singu try ka Sunday ka jingeseng baro ha ka pot si siteng but si biji siteng ngin long hang tai ha GN complex ha ka jo ko por ngin bo ki giant screen na ka benta kito ki bamnyam so ha ka stadium tingin penon kamru ya ka second ground pada ka jo ko por ka parking lot pat ngi scam but ngi community bagi riungi na ki babon tili ki sinot ken man sa kini ka jingaseng ka bahe ka basa jingkan mau, but we are expecting like lakhs of faithfuls to be able to come this time to worship together and to celebrate the Jubilee, centenary Jubilee together. So we would request for all those who made plans to worship along with us especially on the 3rd May, Sunday, that in a few days' time we are going to air regarding the how then that we can come to the venue for this eventful occasion. I mean, we will try to elaborate more regarding the way where to reach. We have prepared in such a way. We are working together along with the traffic department, government Meghalaya, and we are working neck and neck and closely with the government regarding this occasion. Kalau ngajin kerpat ba itu kita penkre ela dia ban wan kamtam ke sing try pin ngobha ban pe ngin sa ai jing tip ding ba ka press how through social media kumno bangila man poi syakani ke jing seng hamadan pulo na ki lenti ki ba fair kita ki wan na riboy ki ba wan na West Coast Hills, kibon na Giant Hills, but kibon na Kaleng. Kumno bingila man poi sa madan pulo, but kumjo ru hakini ki jingeseng gibangingen sedang na do kami at Arfu Pratrik hakabalang Presbyterian Phudmuri kabadai ka host church jong kini event. Ngikwa ru ban panapaj ba ka artrik sngi sajan ka pot siteng kandon ki inaugural service ki jing rakhi jongi ki jing dap shispas nam jong Balang Presbyterian hari India kani kanlong hamadan he stadium te hakatu kaski kandon ka jing pelak pat ba ka souvenir kandon ka hosting of the flag but kandon ki jing ai ki bakarpang ki to ki blano sinyang ya ka Balang Presbyterian hari India Tikijinga seng miet ru kanlong hamadan he stadium. Nado kasing sajan. Ni ko manyitho manado si sajan kamadan he stadium kandai kajaka hakabangin pelong yi bije seng miet bat kajing rakhe ya kanika centenary jubilee celebration jong Balang. So all the centenary jubilee celebration will commence at 10:30 a.m. on the 2nd of May, that will be Saturday. And so even the night service, that day also will be at the Madanhe Stadium. And also the Sunday night service will be at Madanhe Stadium. So we are expecting round about 130 special delegates to join along with the delegates of the Biennial. And also we are expecting not less than 250 choir members from all the synods, standing choirs. They'll be presenting their numbers during the Biennial and also during the centenary celebration.